you, Zarco. I crashed for your fault.
Run, Forrest, go run.
Screw you. Yay! And it's a hard track.
Hey, let's try the Dark Souls level.
Yappa! Oh, this is definitely not my year. Yeah, I can win. Woohoo! No way. The favorite one can be overtaken. Maybe you were the favorite for the victory, but I'm the favorite for the championship. Hey, I'm also the favorite, so yippee-ki-yay! Yahoo! Wow! We'll see if you can finish the race. Yay! Zarco, your rear is broken. Oh, you're right. Fix it. Fix it. I'm strong like my top speed. Yahoo! Wow! You're a rider, not a nurse. This time I won't win. I'm a merciful god. But I won't let him steal my podium. Wow! I can handle this. Okay. This won't work with me. Okay, plan B. Lion punch! Wow! I join you. As I said, a merciful god. Time to see who's the leader at Suzuki. Can't wait to see. This time I get something for here. If Greta Thunberg sees this, MotoGP is in big trouble. How will become the best on the game, like in Jerez?
Want a secret? Today I bet that any Honda finishes in top 10.
I'm 8, so...
I never lose a bet. Sorry, Naka. It's not personal. It's strictly business.
Hey, Zarco, you. I know, my rear is broken. Everybody will overtake me. Look at that rear. Wow. Hey, my eyes are here. You're not my style. Now I get why an AI is called a beast. You won't escape. I will be the same on rings again. I mean the one who won, not the one who crashes. Yay! Not a bad result. Time to face a world champion. Nope. Nope. You won't find a spot to overtake. Hey, wow! Hey, track limits. Track limits. Track limits. Game over, Miguel. Yeah, baby. Diablo victory. Yay! Hey, what the? That second position was mine! If the boot fits, you lost against me, don't cry, hey? Oh, shut up, you little... Guys, it doesn't matter who's second or third. The race is for him, because he won't be forgotten.
Hey minifan, you want more content of the minis? Follow us on Twitter, Instagram, Telegram and Facebook. You will see exclusive content like special comics and avatars. If you enjoyed the chapter, don't forget to press the like button and leave us a comment. If you haven't done, support us on Patreon and click the subscribe button. See you on the next Grand Prix!